Vigan was an important coastal trading post in pre-colonial times. Long before the Spanish galleon came, Chinese junks sailed from the South China Sea to Isla de Vigan through the Mestizo River. Seafaring merchants came to barter exotic goods from Asian kingdoms in exchange for gold, beeswax, and other mountain products from the Cordilleras. Immigrants, mostly Chinese, settled in Vigan, intermarried with the natives, and started the multicultural bloodline of the Viguenos.
In 1572, King Philip II sent Captain Juan de Salcedo with about 80 soldiers to explore the coast of Los Ilocano. They sailed from Manila on May 20, 1572 and arrived in Vigan on June 12, 1572.
Thus, after the successful expedition and exploration of the north, Don Juan de Salcedo founded Villa Fernandina de Vigan in honor of King Philip II's son, Prince Ferdinand, who died up at the tender age of 4.
As a reward for his services to the king, Salcedo was awarded to the whole province of Ilocos, which then composed of Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Abra, La Union, and some parts of Mountain Province. As his encomienda is also accorded to the title Justicia, Mayor de esta Provincia de Ilocos Cultura, Region, and naming of Vigan.
In January 1574, Salcedo returned to the capital of his encomienda, Vigan, bringing with him some Augustinian missionaries to pioneer the evangelization of Ilocos and establish a Spanish city for the purpose of controlling the neighboring countries.
It was believed that when Juan de Salcedo asked a native what the name of the place was, as Salcedo spoke in Spanish, the native could not understand a word he was saying. Salcedo, however, was pointing to the ground.
The native thought he was asking for the name of the vegetation planted there are said of Vigan Ako, referring to a sugar plant for the gabi of Taro family. From then on, the Spaniards named the place Vigan.
Visit Cali Crisologo, a popular tourist attraction with over 200 preserved homes from the Spanish colonial period. Tourists seek a mansion, the birthplace of the Philippines' sixth President Elpidio Quirino.
Explore Balote Resort and Mini-Zoo. A mini-zoo with rare animals like white lions, tigers, pasawaris, ostrich, and emus. See the Bantay Bell Tower, an iconic symbol of Vigan, built in 1591 that was originally a watchtower.
Attend a festival. Vigan City celebrates 4 major festivals each year, including the Vigan City Fiesta on January 25 and the Viva Vigan Binabatan Festival on the Arts in May. Transportation to and within Vigan.
Getting to Vigan City is accessible through various modes of transportation. Air travel. The nearest airport is Laog International Airport, located approximately 85 kilometers from Vigan. Bus. Several bus companies operate daily route from major cities like Manila, Baguio, and Laog to Vigan City. Private car. Driving or renting a car is another option utilizing the North Luzon Expressway and Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway Hotel in Bigan City.
Of course, a trip to Bigan won't be complete without a comfortable place to stay. For a luxurious experience, check out the Hotel Luna, a boutique hotel featuring art galleries and a historic vibe.
If you're looking for a blend of modern and traditional charm, the Paradores de Bigan is an excellent choice. It's near Calle Crisologo, so sightseeing is convenient.
Those who prefer a peaceful stay with a heritage feel can book a room at Ciudad Fernandina Hotel. It's known for its elegant design and cozy atmosphere.
Budget travelers can stay at Cordillera, located right along Calle Crisologo. It offers affordability without compromising comfort and accessibility.
And for a more family-served option, Casa Rica Hotel provides spacious rooms and is close to major tourist attractions, making it ideal for group travelers.
Jeepneys and buses which connect Bigan to other parts of the Luzon. Exploring Bigan on a foot is highly recommended as it allows you to appreciate the city's details and vibrant atmosphere.
Tricycles, which are color-coded and the most common sport. Calesa as a traditional horse-drawn carriage that offers us a nostalgic experience.
Bigan Longanisa, a garlic sausage that's slightly sour and perfect with rice and fried egg. Bagnet, crispy pork belly dish with distinct Ilocano touch. Empanadas, fried pastry filled with vegetables, egg and vegan longanisa, paired with Ilocos vinegar. Sinanglao, a hearty beef soup, perfect for cool mornings. Tinubong, a sweet treat with made glutinous rice and coconut foam inside bamboo.
Chicharon, crunchy corn snacks in various flavors. Sukang Iloco, Ilocos vinegar, great for dipping or cooking. Basi wine, locally made sugarcane wine with a unique taste.
And there you have it. Bigan City is a piece of the eye, the taste buds and the soul. Don't forget to savor the flavors and take a piece of Bigan home with you. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you. Bye-bye.